BS Nursing, past paper solved 2022. Chemistry MCQs. Question number 41. All substances has the same value of heat capacity at absolute zero temperature. Question number 42. At any point on the inverse curve, Joule-Thomson efficient is equal. Question number 43. Lewis relationship is directly concerned with both heat and transfer. Question number 44. In fertilizer plant, urea is finally obtained a high temperature. Question number 45. According to Dash, the volume of given mass of gas is directly proportional to temperature of a gas at a given constant pressure. Charles' law. Question number 46. The pressure inside the Crookes tube or discharge tube is about 0.001 millimeter of Hg to show the brilliant green light. Question number 47. The attractive force that holds the two hydrogen containing molecules together in a liquid mixture is called hydrogen bonding. Question number 48. Heat evolved or absorbed during the chemical reaction not depends on the pressure of catalyst. Question number 49. The term active mass means concentration in terms of moles per dm cube. Question number 50. The rate of chemical reactions at constant temperature is directly proportional to the active concentrations of the reactants. This is according to law of mass action. Question number 51. The lowest whole number ratio of elements present in a compound can be practically depicted by writing empirical formula. Question number 52. 1 gram molecular mass is processed by 1 mole of water. Question number 53. 6.02 into 1023 molecules of water are equivalent to 1 gram formula of water. Question number 54. Alkali metal that is expected to react most vigorously with cold water is sodium. Question number 55. With the aqueous solution of sodium chloride, potassium metal will react through a displacement reaction. Question number 56. Alkaline earth metals violently react with the halogen to give metal halides through a redox reaction. Question number 57. By passing fluorine gas through aqueous solution of sodium chloride, pale yellow gas will liberate. Question number 58. Maximum number of electrons accommodated by M shell is 18. Question number 59. Tendency of negative can be best form of its electronegativity. Question number 60. Presence of free mobile is characteristics of feature of metallic bonding. Question number 61. Physical property that is typically predominantly dependent on surface area of matter in evaporation. Question number 62. Mass per unit of substance can be determined in terms of density. Question number 63. Rate of diffusion is particularly limited by size and kinetic energy of particles. Question number 64. At constant temperature, compressibility of a gas is greatly dependent upon pressure applied on a gas. Question number 65. Solute proportion of a solution can be based off governed by measurement molarity. Question number 66. Solubility of the majority of substance is predominantly affected by temperature. Question number 67. Numerical value of equilibrium constant can be compared with numerical value of reaction constant in order to determine extent of reaction. Question number 68. Active mass of pure substance is always equal to 1. Question number 69. Irreversible reactions are generally associated with large value of chemical equilibrium constant. Question number 70. Ringworm disease in a man is caused by microspores.